This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Peak brain training game on Android. Peak is a popular application that helps sharpen your mind through engaging exercises. It features a wide array of minigames specifically designed to boost your memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. You can also improve your language abilities and overall mental agility. To start your journey, simply download the app and set up your personal profile. Getting Peak onto your Android device is straightforward. You can easily find and download the application from the Google Play Store. For the best experience, make sure your Android operating system is version 7.0 or higher. Once installed, you'll need to create a personal account. This allows the app to tailor workouts just for you and keep a detailed log of your improvements across various cognitive areas. Peak offers engaging daily workouts that usually take around 10 minutes to complete. You'll discover more than 45 unique games, each targeting specific cognitive functions like memory or focus. The free version allows you to play 4 different games every day. Each game comes with easy-to-understand visual instructions, and the challenges automatically adjust to your skill level, ensuring a continuously stimulating experience. Peak provides excellent tools to track your progress, including a brain map and clear graphs that show your development over time. You can even compare your scores with others in your age group. The games are expertly designed with input from neuroscientists, ensuring effective cognitive training. Plus, you can set daily reminders and even play offline, making it easy to keep up with your brain workouts anytime, anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.